good, everybody? My name is Phatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna talk about vocal layering, okay? For rap lyrics, you could do this for singing as well, but we're mostly gonna talk about rapping vocal layering, okay? Before we get into that, I want to please ask you to pre-save my new beat tape, Freeze. It drops on September 22nd. I'm trying to get 20 pre-saves, so if you could just hit the link in the description and pre-save that on Spotify, it takes like 5 seconds. I'd really appreciate that. The beat tape Freeze is a bunch of really dope, epic drill instrumentals. So please pre-save that for me. It would mean a lot. But yeah, let's move on to the video. Okay, so I'm working on this song with the homie Cardell, right? And I'm going to show you what we did here. So I'll just play his verse.
Roll one up for my brothers. Shake what you got from your mothers. Bounce that ass like a lowrider. This is my house like a flow rider. Raise that glass for an all-nighter. Remove your blouse, you'll shine brighter. Lose control, don't contain it. Grab that pole, no shame in it. Welcome to the life of the Cardell. I get all the drugs like the cartel. My life's so lit, but they're far from hell. Only fucking with Diablo from Taco Bell. Stuff that taco with chorizo. Learn that shit from my people. Smoking up the green, that Indo. Here we go with the pre-roll.
Okay, so as you can hear, it sounds, everything's already mixed in his verse, but what we did is we had him take 2 takes of the verse, okay? So the first one is this one, right?
Roll one up for my brothers.
And then we had him take another take, but we chopped that take up and had it layer different parts, like different, like the mostly the ending rhymes here and there. That really helped add clarity and just really enunciate those rhymes and make it sound good overall. So here, let's play just these vocals.
Roll one up for my brothers.
You see brothers right there, that was layered.
Take what you got from your mothers. Bounce that ass like a lowrider. This is my house like a flow rider.
So all I do for that is I just copy the same vocal chain. If we go into, here's his verse right here. I just copy the same vocal chain that's on the verse by right-clicking, go to File, and then Save Mixer Track State As, and clicking and dragging to the ad-lib layer is what we'll call it. And I just turn those down a little bit, add them to the same sends, and it helps just enunciate that. Really can be saucy. Now if we go over here, my verse, we did the same thing. But instead of just recording 2 takes, I just recorded the ad-lib layers over. So you can do it multiple different ways. You could just record 2 takes and then chop up that second take. Or you could just go ahead and actually record the ad-libs and say the different rhymes or whatever you're trying to enunciate. That's what I did here.
Lose control, don't contain it, don't restrain it, let loose, not tied to days. We go all night, not just weekends, and that's true. Was simple-brained, I still am. A little wise, I go ham.
So you'll hear that a lot in rapping and a lot of other things too, and it really helps add that extra sauce. Now, when you're doing it for choruses, like singing and stuff as well, vocal layering is very essential because it can help you harmonize with yourself. We'll talk more on that in a different video, but that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you that when you're recording vocals, don't be afraid to do vocal layering. You can even layer it multiple times. It really helps get that sauce. But yeah, if this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. I really appreciate it. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.